In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add tracking code, tag, or pixel to your Shopify store. Whether you're running a blooming small business or managing a robust online marketplace, knowing how to integrate tracking codes and tags can significantly enhance your understanding of your store's performance and customer behavior. This process is essential for ensuring your marketing efforts are both efficient and effective. So let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step guide together. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is your control center for everything related to your online store. Once you're logged in and at your Shopify admin homepage, you should see a menu on the left-hand side. Look for the Orders section, which is usually located right under the Home button, and click on it. This section is where you'll manage all the incoming orders from your store, a critical area as it allows you to keep tabs on what's going out to your customers. Once you're in the Orders section, you might see a list of all the current orders. What you'll want to do next is to find an order and click on it to highlight it. This will lead you to the detailed view of that specific order, providing you with more in-depth information on what exactly has been purchased, who it's going to, and so forth. This view is integral as it allows you to enter necessary shipment details. While you're in the Orders detailed view, you will see an option to Add Tracking. Click on this button. This is where you'll enter the tracking number for the shipment. Adding tracking numbers is instrumental for both you and your customers to monitor the delivery process. Next, you'll notice a field for entering the tracking number. Simply type in the specific tracking number provided by your shipping carrier. This step ensures your customers receive accurate and up-to-date tracking information, enhancing their overall purchasing experience. The subsequent step involves selecting the shipping carrier. Click on the drop-down menu and choose the appropriate carrier. This further aids in linking the tracking number to the correct service, ensuring the tracking process is seamless and reliable for customers accessing their order details. Finally, you'll want to click on Tags. Here you have the option to add various tags to the order for better organization and tracking within your internal system. Adding tags can be a vital tool for managing and categorizing orders, especially when you have numerous incoming each day. Tags can also assist in future analysis of sales trends or customer preferences. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll establish successful tracking and tagging for your orders, providing you with more insights and enhancing your customers' shopping experience. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide useful, please remember to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.